welcome to M Avenue. In today's video, we're going to try the Tipex Instant Apex nails. I already went ahead and done a little bit of prep work. That's why my nails look like this. But we're gonna go ahead and clean a little bit the cuticle area and get it ready for the new set, which I'm super excited to try. So let's see. Gentle. Around the cuticle area. It might look crazy, it might look like I'm hurting myself, but this is like you feel nothing. Okay, so now that we've done that, next step is to use some of the swipe. I like this from Young Nails. It's really good. Okay, just to clean all that dust. And I do have the little brush, but I don't know. Sometimes I like this better than the brush for removing all the dust. Okay, because I like to change or save my designs, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jello peel off base gel. We're going to apply a thin layer of the Jello peel off base. Like I said, I want to be able to remove them, not damage my nail. Let's go ahead and use this on all the fingernails. Okay, so we finally have our tips ready to go. They feel very sturdy. They almost feel like acrylics. It's not like your usual tips. I don't know. You have to try it. You gotta give it a try. We're going to use this base gel from Beetles. We're going to apply a thin coat on all fingers. When I'm watching this YouTube tutorials on how to do your nails, it just looks like it's so easy, and maybe it is, but for some people I find it very difficult to paint my nails and be in focus and all that, but we're gonna try to make it happen. All right, let's do our thumb. Usually I do my thumb last, but for the sake of saving some time, and we're gonna do this also. Okay. The reason why I usually do this last is because by the time I get to paint this one, all the other are shifting. Good thing is the gel is moving, right? The good thing is I just put just a little bit of gel, not too much, so that way it won't move. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so we went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. Oops. The cap came right off. Okay, I guess you can take it off if you don't like it, which I don't see the point. If all the bottles are black, how you gonna know which one it is? But anyways, all right, so we're going to paint. Gonna try to, let's do this one first. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint thin layer of this black gel paint. I want to achieve something like super sleek. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to cure in between I have a hard time not touching the rest of my nails somehow, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of curing in between, so in case I bump it into something, it won't move, you know what I mean? So you don't have to be too careful around the cuticle, because what I'm planning on doing on this nail is to do a little bit of glitter at the top. So if we have this the way we want, then all we gotta do is flash cure this real quick. Okay, so let's flash cure it. My handy dandy lamp. So I'm just gonna cure this, just flash cure a little bit. Let's apply a second coat. We want to do thin coats of the black, and make sure we cure it for 60 seconds in between. Let's just try to use a little bit of this glitter just here, just a little bit here. Okay, I want it to look like it's gradient, like it's almost like an ombre. So let's do that. I think that should be good enough. We're gonna use this top, conversion top from Young Nails. There you go. And we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Oh yeah, this looks really beautiful, I think. Yep. Beautiful. Okay, so we went ahead and cured that conversion base. So now we're gonna do the same thing. My idea is that I'm gonna do the same thing. Oops. I'm gonna do the same thing on this opposite, like on my, not opposite, but on this finger. We're going to paint it white. All right, so we cured that, and let's just repeat the same with this one. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of a glitter and just place it right here. Perfect. So now on this other two, my plan is to do like a little clock. So let's see how that's gonna work. Okay, so we're going to use this Fizz Mission Control something. Okay, from Young Nails, and also I'm going to use the Overdrive from Young Nails. Hope you can see it. Struggle is real, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's just fill in with white. So I flash cured this. Now, let's see if I can align it with this other finger. So we're gonna do here. We're gonna do here and here, just so we have guides. Okay, so I can kind of, all right, let's fill in with the gelish. Go ahead and use this black. I try to fix this, make it look a little bit better. Okay, so I cured that for 60 seconds. For this next step idea that I have is to use like a matte or velvety top coat. Okay, because I want the black to look, matte, and then the white part is gonna be shiny. Make sure to hit all the spots. Okay. Right, so I cured this. As you can see, the difference between shiny and matte. Actually, this has almost like a velvety, it's called velvet, velvety texture and feel to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some stones. Let's see, what are we gonna use? So we're gonna use this. I have this glue, rhinestone glue from a cart. I like it because it's super tiny. So let's just do, let's see if you can see what I'm doing. I believe it also has a brush, but I like this because it's so tiny and you can go ahead and take the stone you like and let's grab this one. There you go. All right. And once you have it where you want it, you're gonna go ahead and flash cure it. The reason you want to flash cure in between is because by the time you get to the last one that you want, it's gonna be too late. All your stones would have moved by then, so you just want to do one by one and just flash cure in between. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the little, just try to use this. We're gonna do the same on this one. Let's do that. All right, so I did manage to do this. Let's just cure it real quick. All right. Okay, so now let's add a little bit to this, add a little bit to this. So I did manage to find something. We're gonna use this plate. And let's try, I'm gonna try to use this one here. Let's see if that's gonna work. All right. Let's see what I'm gonna pick up. Oh, perfect. All right. Now let's just remove all the stuff that's not supposed to be there. All right, and that's it. It's a beautiful design. Beautiful. Pick it up. Beautiful. Let's clean the rest of it. Okay. And let's do it here. Beautiful. Okay. Let's do that. Pick it up. Beautiful. Let's get the little deer out of here. So let's do here. Beautiful. Okay, I wanted to use this Ultimate Finish Gel, okay, for the white portion. The reason I'm doing this, I want this to be super glossy, so it would look nice in contrast with with the matte finish on the black. Okay, perfect. Here's another piece of lint, fuzz, whatever it is. Drives me crazy. Now, let's go ahead and put some of this ultimate finish on my other nails so we can secure the design. All right, so they're all done. I can show you a little better view. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna focus on the thumb and finish it up. All right, so we're all done. Cuticle oil, just a little bit, not too much. And that's because I do have that Jello peel off base, and I don't want it to, I don't know if it's gonna, my nails are gonna come off or not. But yeah, we're all done with the nail. Of course, now the matte doesn't look matte because I put this oil. I'm gonna wash my hands and it's gonna look beautiful. All right, so here we are. We're done, and we gotta repeat. Yeah, it's gonna be fun doing it on my opposite hand, but we'll do it. All right. Well, that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye now.